Good morning from Hilton Residence in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Here is the traditional oil lamp, and today we're celebrating Diwali. So here on the top of the oil lamp you can see it looks like your normal kukla, but this is the jungle fowl, which is the national bird for Sri Lanka. So this is the main entrance into the restaurant. The restaurant is called Flow. It's a very nice restaurant, and this is where we take breakfast. So let's walk in. As we walk in, are you Bhawan? How are you today?
Doing good. How are you?
And your good name?
I'm Talisha.
And tell me more, nice big voice.
This is a Flow restaurant. This is the main restaurant, Hilton Residence. So
Okay.
can you come?
Okay, let's come. So as we go in, we get welcomed by this guy with his, it's not a guitar, it's more like a mandolin. And you can see we have a beautiful selection of breads here and lots of condiments to go on there. I had some of the honey yesterday, and there's the strawberry. We can have a crepe here, very nice traditional crepe. And here is some chilled foods like a Bersha muesli, which is one of my favorite mueslis actually, and various smoothies in there. We've got some nice pieces of cake, and we've got another gentleman here.
Hi, everyone. Happy Diwali.
And your good name?
I'm the assistant restaurant manager, Kushan.
Kushan.
Yeah.
Okay, can you show me your restaurant?
Yes, sir. You saw that the basic counter.
Oh,
And
let's have another look at these Danish pastries. They look absolutely lovely. What we got there? We've got some nice pineapple and cinnamon. We've also got some blueberry there. And of course, as you'd expect in Sri Lanka, some nice cinnamon Danish pastries. Lots and lots to choose from.
Diwali
We've got the
special.
donuts and Diwali special, I'm told. Tell me about the Diwali special.
This is the rice halwa and semolina pudding and the carrot halwa, the stuff for the Diwali special.
Okay, and that's for the...
Homemade jams.
Okay, that's right. So we have some teas here, and it's very nice to see that we've got a traditional Dilmar tea selection here. As you probably know, Dilmar, the name is coming from the two sons, Dylan and Malik, and lots of different teas that we can choose from here. And also there's some very beautiful artifacts here, and our elephant looking very good. And now let's go over and see what food we have available. So you can see the restaurant's very nice. We've got this lovely greenery garden effect here. And I think if we come round the corner here, this is a good place to start. This is our Sri Lankan side. So as you would expect, let's just have a quick look inside here. It's a beautiful selection. So there's lots of good foods here. It's all freshly prepared, all very nice. However you like your string hoppers or whole roti, it's all here. In fact, we've also got the paratha. So I think this is, as well as Sri Lankan, this is also catering for Indian people. Ah yes, I think this is definitely catering for Indian people, because here we've got the, what do you call this, Idili. Okay, so coming round, we've got our executive chef here, our sous chef. Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Chef Harsha from.
Nice voice.
Yeah, I'm Chef Harsha here from Hilton Colombo Residence, and so mostly welcome to Flow Breakfast.
Okay, so here we've got the pol roti. You can see my video on how I make pol roti. It's called the Lazy Man pol roti. And here, do you call this wadi?
This one?
Yes.
This is Uludu Wadi. Uludu Wadi, yeah. It's very famous in Sri Lanka.
You know, when I'm on the train, coach, yeah? When I'm on the train, always the guys coming, wadi, 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 wadi,
Of course.
wadi, wadi,
It's
wadi.
kind of street food.
Yeah. And here we've got the appam, the
Please
egg
find-
hoppers.
Please find it.
The guy's going to do something here, so let's have a look and see. Okay, let's come down here. Beautiful. As you can see, everything is freshly prepared here. And this is making the fresh wadi wadi. He's got a special method of making them. Can we do one more? And let's see, where is it? Here he is, yeah. Obviously that little shake and stick the finger in there to make the little dimple. And that's how we make the wadi wadi wadi.
And, here we do
Egg hoppers.
flower hoppers. Manoj.
And with this one, you're using rice flour.
Of course. And we do, I think this is the very unique thing about Sri Lanka. We will do
Okay.
flour hoppers.
Ah, okay. So obviously there's a special way of putting the batter into the pan. First he holds the pan to his face to feel the temperature is correct. He puts the batter inside. Then he's going to break one egg inside. And then we start to do the cooking on there. And what I've learned is very important to put the lid on, because then you generate the steam inside and you keep the steam, and the steam is cooking the inside of the hopper or the apple. So you can see everything is fresh cooked, live cooking stations, everything's absolutely superb. And here we have, you can see there's so many different condiments that you can add to your breakfast. You can have the chutneys, you can have the chili paste and spices. Everything's fresh, everything's very, very beautiful. And here looks like sambal. Yeah, here is the pol sambal. It looks very nice, but you've got to remember it is a little bit spicy. And we've got another guy here, and he's cooking. What are we making here? Which one? Crispy dosa. Okay, oops. And here we go. And there's even more food. You think, wow, we've had enough food already. Good morning, sir. How are you? And you'll see we've got these nice artifacts here, traditional mask here. And here we've got more food. So what do we got here? This is the milk rice, and we call this kiri bat. Kiri being milk, bat being cooked rice. So kiri bat, and this is what we call suda kiri bat, the white one, and this is the ratu kiri bat. And now we've got more things coming here. We've got the string hoppers, and again, string hoppers, you have a choice of the red rice or the white rice. And here we've got some fish. And how is this fish made?
Actually, it's whole pittu.
Oh, pittu.
Yeah, it's made out of rice flour and very healthy.
Very healthy.
Nicely goes with kiri hodlu again.
Okay, cool. And here, what have we got here? Nice curry. And this is the fish curry. I can smell fish. So that was the fish curry. And here's chicken curry. Oh, very nice. And coming over here, now we've got another curry, and this one is what, a dal curry? So made from chickpeas.
Dal.
Dal, but dal is coming from chickpeas.
No, actually it's a little bit smaller than it.
Smaller than chickpeas. Yeah. Okay, so let's just have a look quickly. We're not going to go inside because it's a cooking area, but you can just see the extent of this live cooking station. Everything can be prepared here. And you've seen already, you've got the Indian, you've got the Sri Lankan, you've got different Sri Lankan tastes here. If you want authentic Sri Lankan food, this is the place to come. And here, we go. Here is the breakfast chef. And your good name, sir?
I'm
Rohan.
Chef Rohan, and welcome to the Flow restaurant for a
Excellent.
breakfast.
And this is the guy in charge of the breakfast. Everybody else is sleeping, but this is the executive early morning breakfast chef. Make sure everything's looking good. So just coming round, and there's even more food to have. And here is the western area. So here we have baked beans. Now it's interesting, we had a few comments on the videos, people saying that our beans hard to find or in a premium. Well, there's lots of beans here. And here, if you like it, pork bacon. Very, very tasty way to start the day with a freshly cooked pork bacon. And you can see here, they have some very nice tomatoes, grilled, baked and grilled tomatoes, and then they've put a little bit of garnish on the top. So
garlic and some herbs.
Garlic and herbs, okay. And here we have some sausages, and this is chicken sausage. Yeah?
Chicken sausage.
Chicken sausage, okay. And if there isn't enough food, there's even more food. So if anybody tells you there's no food in Sri Lanka, tell them to watch this video, because there's loads of food in Sri Lanka. And we've got all these lovely tasty, they just look so beautiful. And then over on this side, we've got some more. Wow. And there we've got the big ovens there. And coming up. And this gentleman, good morning, sir. Your name?
Good morning, sir. I'm Chamika. Chamika Bandara.
And what do you make here?
I'm in a Western kitchen and omelette action with my partner.
Okay. And your partner, what's he doing? He's cooking away there. And you can see here, this is, how do you like your eggs? Well, you can have fried eggs, You can see there, they have a nice menu selection here. So you choose from the board what you like. You can have fried eggs, you can have scrambled eggs, you can have an omelette as you choose. You can also have the poached egg, and this looks like a boiled egg. Yeah, this is the boiled egg. And you can also have egg benedict. So I have quite a few friends that like egg benedict. This is the place to come, the Hilton Residence in Colombo. And now we have some more foods here. What's this one here? You can see here, this is mixed grilled vegetables. And then on the next one here, you can have steamed vegetables. So you have a choice of grilled or steamed vegetables. And one more thing we've got here, and this would be the herb roasted potato. Now that looks very, very tasty. We're going to have to try some of that. So you can just see through the glass here. And they've actually got a glass screen to protect from the health side of things, which is really good. And coming over on the other side, let's have a look. We'll start from the beginning. So that's probably the best place to begin. So you would come here and you could choose, you get your place, and then you can have your mixed herbal kenda. And let's have a look what that is.
Actually, it's kalakanda.
Ah, okay.
It's Ayurvedic drink.
This is Ayurvedic?
Of course,
Ayurvedic. So it's like natural medicine.
natural leaves, green leaves, and very good for your blood circulation.
So if you
Early morning, if you have this, super.
So if you want early morning good blood circulation, have some of these green leaves.
Definitely.
Ayurvedic medicine.
Definitely.
Okay. So let's come back to the correct side of the glass screen there. You can see all the plates there. And if you're somebody like myself, you like to have some cereals in the morning. So I had some of this dry muesli. They call it dry muesli. It was very, very tasty. Little red berries in there. You feel it's like a full breakfast. And of course we've got full cream milk here as well. Fresh kiri, which is good, kiri milk. Yeah. And here we've got different kinds of honey. You can have jaggery, which is at the back, which is like some kind of sugar. And then you've also got the bee honey, and also fresh bee honey. And we've also got some treacle. We've got some beautiful cashew nuts, obviously from Sri Lanka, as you would expect. We've got some almond nuts. We've got some raisins. So when I have my cereal, I add some of these to my cereal and make it even more tasty. And if there's not enough food for you, there's even more food. Here we have some potato kheer, and we also have the vegetable samosa. So whatever you want for breakfast, it's all here. This is a full meal for sure. And coming over to here, we have like a salad mixing station, so you can have whichever salad you like. You can mix it here. Lots and lots of food. There's lots of food here in the Hilton Colombo, and you can have some different dressings there to make your salad. So coming round the corner, still more food to have. And here, this looks like we've got some sushi, and also we have some very tasty looking pork ham. So there's our pork ham. That looks very, very tasty. And we've got beef salami, we've got olives, we've got cooked chicken, we have a selection of cheeses, and I've got some beautiful cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese is the cheese for me. Oh. And also, this is what, some tomatoes and some chili, I think. Different chilies here? Of course. Of course. What is the Sri Lankan attitude towards chili? Do Sri Lankans like chili?
Yeah, of course. Sri Lanka, we eat a lot of chili, but chili is not our main ingredients. So at the moment, we control our chilies, but mainly all Sri Lankan foods depend on chili and herbs. So
Chili
spices,
and herbs,
especially
and
Sri Lankan spices.
Exactly. Cool. Right. So let's just come around the corner here, and we've got one more selection to go through here. And this is the fresh fruit selection. You can see there's some real fresh fruits there. And whatever you want, whatever juice, you can have carrot juice, you can have mango juice, you can have papaya juice, pineapple juice, watermelon juice. All freshly prepared and chilled, and of course they kept them in a glass bottle with a metal lid, so you were not wasting time with plastics and all the rest of it. And here is the juice chef. Where's the juice chef? Here you are, sir. And your good name?
Yes, I'm Sandarwan, sir.
Yeah, speak nice and loud so we can hear.
Yes, I'm Sandarwan, sir.
And what do you prepare here?
Yes, I'm making fresh juices. Mainly we are focusing watermelon juice, pineapple and papaya.
Excellent. I had some yesterday. It was really nice.
Yes.
Thank you so much. And coming round to close now, we've got another musician here. But here we've got the fresh fruits. How you like your fresh fruits? Of course, you've got some nice limes there. You've got some papaya, this beautiful succulent papaya, and some. This is what they're doing here. Instead of importing the Western jams, they're making their own jams, which is a really good way. Very, very tasty. Sri Lankan produced. It's lovely. And here we've got some bananas soaked in orange juice. Some beautiful pineapple here. What's this one here? This is
Umbrella.
it's like jackfruit or no?
No, it is a Sri Lankan typical fruit and a little bit of sour, but when it comes to compote wise, it's super.
Okay. And here we've got some mixed fruits, and of course we've got here the watermelon. So there you go, gentlemen. Oh, we've got some waters as well. Sorry. So we've got here.
Traditional king coconut.
Here is the king coconut. This is what people come to Sri Lanka for, king coconut water. And also we have the detox water. So this is a watermelon detox water. Okay guys, thank you very much. Give me your thumbs up. Thank you very much, sir. Very nice of you to show us around. And the food yesterday was awesome. I'm really looking forward to the food again today. So let's just say goodbye to the chef. This is the man in charge of everything.